पंकज और आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले दैट व्हाई टेक जायंट्स आर लेइंग ऑफ देयर एम्प्लॉयज इन सच अ लार्ज नंबर. So first of all, you must have heard about the 2008 economic crisis. What had actually happened at that time? You must have heard about that. So I am just giving a short brief what had happened in 2008. So there was an investment company named Lehman Brothers that got bankrupt at that time. So which accelerated the global economic crisis in 2008. So you don't need to know about that completely to understand what is happening right now in the economic area. So we will discuss about all the topics that why these companies are laying off their employees in such a large number. So before going to discuss that, let first know what is recession actually means. So in simple word, if I explain what recession means to you, it is actually the rise of the price of every commodities which you are using in everyday life. So that is actually called recession. Look, with rise in price due to inflation, the value of your money is actually decreasing. What you were able to buy from a 100 rupees note a day before, you will not be able to buy this same amount of product the day after tomorrow. That is called inflation. Actually, the value of your money is decreasing. This is simple meaning of recession. So let's come to that part of the video where we will discuss about why these tech giants are laying off their employees in such a large number. So there is a data that 1.5 lakhs of employees had been laid off till now by the tech giants from the starting of 2022. So why this actually happened? So there are a lot of factors involved in this. So first of all, you all are aware about the current scenario of Ukraine versus Russia war. The impact of this war is that the price of the oil is increasing, which automatically leads to the price hike of other commodities also. So see a data that, so according to the current data, Amazon has recently laid off about 10,000 employees. Alphabet has laid off about 12,000 employees, which is the Google's parent company. Meta is 11,000. Microsoft is 10,000. HP is 6,000. Twitter is 3.5. And many more such examples are there. So the biggest question is what led to these layoffs? So the first and biggest answer is the fear of recession. Look, most of the economists have forecasted their views that there will be likely a recession in 2023. Not only the economists, the IMF, the World Bank has also said that there will be recession in 2023. And what I have told you that what is recession? It is actually the price hike. Lack of demand, hike in price, lack in economic activities, which will automatically lead to the rise in cost of the company's production. That's why they are laying off their employees in such a large number. So you must have a question that the recession has not come yet, then why they are laying off their employees in so advance? So the and simple answer is that they are actually preparing for the coming recession. They don't want their worst situation in that recession. So they are taking a protective step for that. Then the second point is weak consumer demand. Look, after the COVID-19, people were left with less amount of money in their bank accounts. So they have less amount to spend on buying or purchasing some commodities from market. And then the cumulative effect is added due to the Ukraine-Russia war, which led to the hike in price of the commodities. So the consumer demand drastically decreased, which eventually leads the tech giants to make less profit. The third point is that there is a lot of pressure from the investors to the founders of the company that they want more profit, but the profit is not coming from the market. That's why they are actually laying off their employees in order to maintain their profit. So this is also a main point. The fourth point is that there is a rapid increase in the borrowing rate by the central banks of various countries. Look, the Federal Reserve, which is the central bank of US, has hiked the borrowing interest rate, so that there will be a lack of dollar supply in the market, which automatically increase its value, and eventually the value of the other currencies will decrease. That's why the inflation will rise and eventually lead to the increase in the commodities price and decrease the lifestyles of the people. So these are the 4 points which we discussed till now. So there's a summary part that what is the actual reason behind such large number of layoffs is that the companies are preparing for recession, the upcoming recession in 2023. They are increasing their profits by laying off their employees so that the investors should not get affected by their cuts in profits. They are managing the low consumer demand by rising their profits. You must be wondering that why I choose this topic to make video on, because as a college student and preparing to get into these companies which are laying off right now, makes no sense for me right now to prepare for these companies that you may get laid off anytime, anywhere. So this is actually the demotivating fact about these tech giants. They actually pay large when you join, but there is no guarantee that you will be there. So as a student, you need to be updated about these topics and make your plan according to the current situation. Hope you have got a lot of information in this video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, then please subscribe it. Do share and like this video. तब तक के लिए जय हिंद.